2008 was a pivotal year, wasn't it? We witnessed history unfold, both in positive and negative ways. The world faced a major financial crisis, but amidst it all, some unsung heroes worked tirelessly to change the world forever. And then came Bitcoin, introducing us to a whole new tech marvel called blockchain. This dynamic duo paved the way for a revolution. Fast forward to today. Welcome to the era of AI and blockchain. And guess what? We're living in an era where AI and blockchain are shaking hands, working together to reshape the world. Now let's talk about something that's on everyone's mind. Making money. Trading has become as popular as wanting to be a Hollywood star. But here's the kicker. You don't need to be a celebrity to be a successful trader. Thanks to AI that you will achieve to be a successful trader. Pionex, your AI trading partner. So here's the scoop. We're about to introduce you to Pionex, an AI trading platform that's here to make your trading dreams come true. It's like having a personal trading assistant right at your fingertips. Hello crypto fans, welcome back to the Pro Miners channel. Today, welcome to the future of cryptocurrency trading. Today, we're about to unravel the mysteries of Pionex, the future that has already arrived, the ultimate crypto trading platform that's changing the trading game. But what exactly is Pionex?
Do you want to keep up with the times? Picture this. You want to buy low, sell high, and make those digital coins rain. Well, your time has come. That's where Pionex comes in. It's like having your very own trading assistant working around the clock. No coffee breaks needed.
Unlike our caffeinated friend here, Pionex never rests. Now, let's break it down with some pros and cons, because let's face it, even in the crypto world, there's no perfect magic potion. The first advantage is buying low and selling high. Imagine snagging that crypto when it's on sale and selling it when it's partying at its peak. Pionex helps you do just that. The second advantage is all and sundry passive income for anyone. Pionex lets even us regular folks earn while we sip our chai. It's like having a sidekick that's also a money-making machine. The third advantage is easy-peasy banking. Deposit, withdraw, and trade with real dollars. No rocket science degree required. When we talk about the disadvantage, no custom strategies are allowed. Sorry, fancy pants traders. Pionex has its own tricks up its sleeve. But hey, they're pretty darn good. No rocket science degree required. Oops. Here, rocket scientists struggling with dollar bills. Oh ho! Sorry, Mr. Scientist. Pionex has got this covered. So, let's focus on a variety of bots. What's in Pionex's trading arsenal? They've got an array of bots. Grid trading bot, spot futures arbitrage bot, rebalancing bot. They're like the Avengers of the crypto world, but with more algorithms and fewer capes. And guess what? You can try these heroes out for free during their trial period. Practice trading with demo funds, no real money risk. Oh yes, did we mention Pionex is always at your fingertips? Android, iOS, they're everywhere. Like that one catchy song you can't escape.
Pionex on my phone's index.
Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of trading bots, including arbitrage bots. Arbitrage bots work by exploiting small price differences between different exchanges. For example, if Bitcoin is trading at $10,000 on exchange A and $10,001 on exchange B, an arbitrage bot would buy Bitcoin on exchange A and sell it on exchange B for a profit of $1. Don't think about complexity of the using or not having trading knowledge. Pionex arbitrage bots are relatively easy to use. Users simply need to select the bot they want to use, specify the trading pairs they want to trade, and set their risk parameters. The bot will then automatically execute trades on the user's behalf. So finally, let's talk about the money and the risk factor. What an average return over a 1-year period. Pionex arbitrage bots have been shown to be profitable in the long term. For example, a study by Pionex found that their arbitrage bots generated an average return of 28.35% over a 1-year period. However, it is important to note that arbitrage bots are not risk-free. There is always the potential to lose money if the market moves against you. Overall, Pionex arbitrage bots are a good option for investors who are looking to generate passive income from the cryptocurrency market. However, it is important to understand the risks involved before using any trading bot. After conducting thorough research, we have compiled some additional tips for maximizing the effectiveness of Pionex arbitrage bots. So let's talk about tips. First one is, start with a small amount of money. This will help you to minimize your risk in the event that the market moves against you. Next is, diversify your portfolio. Trade multiple trading pairs to reduce your risk. Next is, monitor your bots regularly. Make sure that they are performing as expected and that you are comfortable with the level of risk. Lastly, rebalance your portfolio regularly. This will help you to ensure that your portfolio is still aligned with your investment goals. Please note that this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. I suppose that you all know how to subscribe and hit the notification bell?